Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure checking out downtown Mesa in Mesa, Arizona. So here we are in Mesa, Arizona. Here is the city center. Here is the city of Mesa Park. The city of Mesa is just east of Phoenix in Arizona. And today in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking a look of what downtown Mesa has to offer. So here's the kind of like a city hall, a civic center of Mesa. And here is the Contemporary Arts Center in Mesa, Arizona. And here is the Main Street in Mesa. So here is the Mesa Contemporary Arts, kind of like a art center in Mesa. Here you can see performances, and as we cross the street here you can see the Valley Metro light rail, and this is the transit system. You can take this light rail to downtown Phoenix. Pretty cool light rail, streetcar, however you want to call it. Just rides right down the middle of the street in downtown Mesa. And as we walk along the main street of downtown Mesa, you can check out pretty cool artworks. Here you have several restaurants here. As we walk here, you have a Thai cuisine here. This is a pretty interesting place to check out. This is downtown Mesa in the morning. Hopefully it gets busier during the day, and especially at night. Really like that mural that spells out Mesa. And as you walk along Mesa, you can check out pretty cool murals, which we'll check out really soon. Here you have a music store across the street. Here you have a crosswalk. And it's not that busy in the morning. As you can see here, just only a few people. Here's the light rail again that goes up and down the main street of downtown Mesa. And you also have a bus stop here and a bus shelter. So you have two transit options here. Here is one McDonald's Center, which hosts U.S. Bank. And here's a pretty cool statue that we have here. Here we have a kid making a pitch to the batter. Pretty cool art installation. So downtown Mesa is home to to the Arizona Museum of Natural History. And as we take a closer look here, you can see a dinosaur that sticks out of the building. It is the Arizona Museum of Natural History. Pretty cool how the way they did it. And as we go back to the main street, here are several cars. So that is the main street, and here is the Nile. Pretty cool coffee shop and a small cafe. Just had breakfast right there. Pretty cool. And let's go ahead and walk down and see what we can get ourselves into. Here we have some toys. So downtown Mesa, Arizona in general is like the suburb for the Phoenix, Arizona. So it's not that busy here, but this is more than what I would have expected in terms of a busy downtown. So basically, if you make a right or left on the next street, you would basically run into like typical suburban neighborhoods. Here I have Pomeroy's, a men's store. Here we have another statue. Here we have an outdoor patio area for a restaurant. Here we have Brisbane's Flowers. Here we have a Jared's Coffee tea shop. And up next here we have a tattoo parlor. And I really like how the light rail here runs frequently up and down the main street in downtown Mesa. Here we have the Idea Museum. You make a right at this intersection on Main Street in Robson. And as we continue to look down here, you have several more shops that is in the area. And here across the street, you have a Subway. And yeah. So we are back at the town center in downtown Mesa. That will do it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about downtown Mesa. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on his channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on the next one.